joining me on my channel, New Growth Naturals. So finally, I've decided to do a YouTube channel on how to care for your natural hair. So if you want to learn how to care for natural 4C hair or type 4 hair or any texture for that matter, stick around. Hello guys, so I'm just going to show you how I made my favorite deep conditioner. So these are some of the ingredients I use. If you don't have all of these ingredients, feel free to just use your avocado with your favorite oils. But for me personally, these are the type of oils that my hair like. So this is my avocado. So I've had this for a while. So this is a piece of leftover avocado. I don't waste anything. And this is olive oil. So I'm going to be using a plastic spoon to do my measurement. And I'll do 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil. Right. And also, this is my favorite castor oil, Jamaica black castor oil. And this is straight out of Jamaica, of course. And this is a cold pressed oil. It's very potent, so I'm only going to be using 1 spoonful of this castor oil. Some coconut oil. Also, I'm going to use only 1 spoon of coconut oil. Can't waste the good stuff. This stuff is amazing. I love coconut oil, especially for dry scalp. It's amazing. And this is honey, whatever is left of my honey. I'm also going to be using 1 spoon of honey. And this is optional, of course. But I like to use honey in my deep conditioner mostly because honey is a natural humectant, which means that it draws moisture from the environment into your hair. And I want this to be extremely moisturizing. The next thing I'm going to add is 1 drop of vitamin E oil. This one I got from Earth's Element in Jamaica. That's it. 1 drop. And also 100% plant glycerin. This is also from Earth's Element in Jamaica. And I'm only going to be using 2 drops of this because I already have a natural humectant as well, which was the honey. Basically, both of them do us the same thing. But my hair is 4C, tends to be very dry, so the more moisturizing the product, the best it is for me. Now this is lemongrass essential oil. I add it because I love the way it smells, and also it has health benefit for the hair follicles. So it helps to strengthen the hair follicles. I'm just going to borrow this drop to use in my other essential oil, which I haven't dropped. So this is the sweet orange oil. Also, I got this from Earth's Element in Jamaica. So I'm adding 2 drops of that. So now that we have added all our ingredients in, let's go ahead and blend it up nicely. Super creamy and thick, so I'm going to add a little water to it. To my mixture, because of how thick it is, I want it to be as smooth as possible. So you add your water, go ahead. Keep checking it to see if this is a consistency that you want. Check to ensure that there are no clumps in it. Look how smooth that is. It's really light on the hair, and the avocado is loaded with vitamin E and other nutrients that helps your hair to be strong and healthy and also shiny. So now that I've blended all of my DIY deep conditioner, what I'm basically going to do is shampoo my hair, and then I'll add this to my hair from my roots to my ends, and then I'll put on a steam cap for about 45 minutes or more, do my house chores, and then I'll wash it out with some regular conditioner.